The paleo diet makes sense. Eat real food, just like our ancestors did. Simple, right? But let's be honest. Cavemen didn't live in the modern world of schedules, careers, to-do lists, and fast food restaurants. So planning simple paleo meals in today's world can be complicated and time-consuming. Unless you have PrimalPal. PrimalPal is an easy-to-use website that makes paleo meal planning simple. PrimalPal offers the paleo world's most delicious recipes from our growing searchable database. Simply drag and drop your favorite recipes to create a customized meal plan in minutes. Food allergies? No problem. Simply set your food preferences accordingly. Once you have a meal plan, PrimalPal automatically generates your shopping list so you won't waste time or money at the grocery store again. Once you're ready to get cooking, simply pull up your pre-planned recipes or print them with a click of a button. Let PrimalPal inspire, plan, and organize your paleo meals so you can save time and money, but most importantly, meet your health goals. Sign up now for your free trial and experience the many benefits of the diet we evolved to eat. PrimalPal, because eating like a caveman should be easy.